The early days were tough.
Jeff would take the sales and run the jobs.
As a business that small, we struggled, didn't have a name for ourselves yet.
Started building our trades and expanding our skills.
To grow any business, you can't just do it alone. You have to, over time, bring in others to help. When I first met Rena, we were in college.
Starts out on a baseball field, and that's how we came to know each other.
They're kind of polar opposites.
I grew up learning carpentry from my grandpa.
Worked on Wall Street before I came back to Houston. I was an energy investment banker.
They have two different personalities, but those two personalities complement each other. Kitchen Designs had a great reputation.
We needed to have a name that was more representative of all of the services that we offered.
Sitting down with Jeff and a few grown-up drinks.
We were trying to be perfect in 3 different ways, and in its simplest form, it's coming up with something that looks great, functions well, and fits who they are and what their budget is.
It just hit us. It's like TriFection. It's the 3 things to perfection. When we hire somebody, we're gonna spend the time to train them, to give them an opportunity to have a career.
I enjoy it. I hope this is the last job I have.
Any good tradesperson is an artist at heart if they're doing it to the level that we're doing it.
Quality is really #1, and that's what we're striving for.
Everything that was built was designed and built with only one house in mind, and it's that one.
There's nothing cookie cutter about the projects.
You take somebody's hard-earned money and you take their dream and you make it a reality. We get a lot of repeat business, and we get their kids' business and their sister's business and whole families that we do work for, and I take a lot of pride in that.
One thing I can promise them is when it's all said and done, you're gonna be happy.
Our policy has been, if we didn't build or install something the right way, you pick up the phone and call us, and we'll be here as long as you own the house.
If I were a homeowner and weren't in this business, this is the kind of company that I would hope that I could find.